Want to know what pin to profile means on Instagram? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to pin a post and what it does on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open Instagram. Tap on the icon at the bottom right. After you're on your profile, tap on the post that you like to pin. Tap on the three dots at the top right of the post. Then, tap on Pin to your profile. What this does is, it keeps the post at the top. That means when people visit your profile, they see the pinned post at first. To pin the post, make sure you have a business account. If you don't know how to convert your account into business account, make sure to check the video out on our channel. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.